Oh, it's alright, hold it up. Oh, 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 oh. GoPro's acting up now. It's going into band-aid mode, supposedly fixing itself. So weird. Just put a fresh battery in, film for 2 minutes, and you try and switch the GoPro on again and nothing happens. So I reckon I'm going to be doing a warranty claim on this one. There's a handle there. Thanks, boys. That's all right. Do you want us to help you push up so you can get some traction? Or are you going to go back down? You're going to fling it around?
Hey, I'll roll back onto there.
You're going to roll back down? Yeah. You sure you don't want to just ride down forward?
No way, I'm not trying to... No.
Oh, okay, you sure you... Hopefully it doesn't slip.
I'll swap sides.
Yeah, okay. All right, back to... That's where I started. Back to level. Back to level ground.
Yeah.
Yoo!
Well done.
Good job. Oh, it's all right. Hold it up. Oh, 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 oh. You're all right. Bring it down. Mate, just turn your bike off and just sit. It's all right, we'll come. All right, you got your clutch in, we'll just bring it down a bit.
Yeah.
Are you gonna have another go?
Next try.
Okay. Come back a bit though, with your bike so you get a better run up. Just try and, yeah, well, hang on. We'll just swing this. Okay, yep. Momentum's key. Even if you stick in his line, just try and keep in first or second and just chug up.
All right.
Oh, fuck! Woo! That was close. Fuck. He was like wheel in the air, nearly flipping it with the Yes, Dara! We got the T7 and the 450 up after a few goes, but here we need to really help the guy on the CV500.
Yeah, that's what we did back there. He dropped it on the
earlier before, yeah. I told him just to sit down and wait.
You my sponsor. No. The back in the pub, you know the back, you probably don't know, the back in the pub, the historic back in the pub near back in the cave. Okay. We're coming up over the top of the hill.
Go to the right.
Cross over to the right and you fucking won't even miss a beat.
Yeah. Oh, you could just go through that dip?
Yeah, you could.
Just stick to the right?
Yep, you could, easy. It's the left that's tricky because it's all like these little rock steps and it's like all black rubber on them and it's wet.
Ah,
and it's
okay.
fucking got mud on it.
Great. Fucking hell.
I'm happy to help you bring it back here, man.
Somebody else can go first.
Take it up, man.
You can come up here if you want.
The hill's clear, douche, if you want to go.
And then everyone come back down, we'll carry this up.
Yeah, it's going to be fun getting it up.
Yo, shit. Ooh.
You still want to give it a go?
I didn't bring my helmet, but I came from one here.
Yes, please.
I wish you'd said no.
Dance! Come on!
Woo! Takes out the CV. Whoa! Fucking hell. That sounded like something broke. Here comes the DRZ 400. Whoa! Whoa!
Paul. Paul goes through the... Yeah, moves the toe job. Yeah. Walk him up and throw it.
And Andy's there with his yellow strap, ready and waiting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hot, hot, hot. He's going in hot. Woo! Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Woo! No prisoners that time. Fuck. You're at a lookout. Bloody awesome. Nice little play area here as well. A few guys up top. And then this crazy view. It's 11 o'clock now. Haven't done too many kilometres because of the carnage on that hill. We'll see. Pretty good pace now on these sort of gravelly climbs. A lot of traction. So hopefully I'll get home tonight before midnight. Fingers crossed.